Hi everyone. This is Amit Gore from Akshay Study Abroad Consultant. Now I want to discuss about studying abroad opportunities after architecture degree from India, that is B.Arch from India. Now guys, those who are into architecture, firstly hats off to you all because architecture is one of the toughest qualification from India. You study for 5 years degree as compared to 4 or 3 years degrees for other discipline. So 5 years BArch degree from any Indian institution is well recognized in foreign universities for further studies. As you all have studied for 5 years, getting your professional Bachelor of Architecture from India, you must be looking forward for great abroad opportunities. You have to be very careful while choosing your program and especially your degree because with a BArch degree from India, you cannot practice as an architect in developed nations such as US, UK, Australia, Canada, etc. You must get a license or a registration in those countries. So you must choose a program into architecture which will make you prepare for the license in those countries. I have helped many architecture students to go to UK. There are very famous universities such as AA School of Architecture or UCL or Oxford Brookes, which offer a lot of 1 and 2 years program after your BArch. Now these programs will not make you eligible to immediately practice, but studying in those universities and in working under architecture firms for a couple of years will definitely make you getting a RIBA, that is a London London place where you get a recognition, a RIBA recognized degree. Once you have a RIBA recognition, you can work in UK and many other countries as an architect. Apart from UK, there are a lot of other countries which are popular for architects, such as US, Australia, Canada, and many other countries. However, in these all countries, registration becomes the challenge for an architect student. Again, you will not require to take exams such as GRE or GMAT for an architecture program. You just need to have an English proficiency test as an IELTS and TOEFL, and also need a very good portfolio. All the students from India, they have an excellent portfolio. Only how they prepare it from their work is very important. We as Akshay Study Abroad Consultant have helped many architecture students for various programs in architecture and design abroad. We do help in English language proficiency test, applications to all the countries in UK, US, Australia, etc. And more importantly, also into the portfolio things and also in applications and visas. So architecture students, your career is very important and you must be guided properly if you plan to studying abroad because you are going to spend a lot of money on your education. So be careful as well as get guided properly from consultants like us. We are waiting for you. Come to us. We will definitely make a great architecture and design career for you in abroad. Bye-bye. All the best.